Transport. How everybody doing out there in YouTube land? Yeah, I done found out as a new owner operator, seems like every week or every other week you got something to fix. My truck had been giving me intermittent starting problems. And then got to a truck stop to shut it off and try to start it. Some bitch wouldn't start. Wouldn't start. Scared me half to death. I said, oh shit, I'm gonna have to get a tow truck. But I remember back in my mechanic days, you tap on the solenoid on the starter. Well, you know, in the old days, there would be a solenoid up on the under the hood on the firewall of a truck that you can replace or tap on, you know. They put them on the starter now. You know, the starter has its own little solenoid. The one that used to be on the firewall under the hood, they put that on the starter too. So you got the solenoid and this thing. It's like a relay. It's a solenoid. So you got the solenoid that's built into the starter, and then you got the solenoid that's usually on the firewall under the hood. That's on the starter too. So I went under there and tapped tapped on that, and it cranked on up. So I got back, went to the dealer, went to the Fort Worth dealer. I went to the Fort Worth dealer. All the guys in the line was laughing and giggling, talking about they gonna go to the line. One of the lines was charging, oh, I'm gonna go over here, the price is better, you know. I wasn't paying no attention. They were just laughing and giggling. I had something else on my mind. But Lord and behold, when I got to the counter, Joker told me it started with $1,400. I like $1,400. Now I had already checked the price in Dallas. They had said $600. So what is he talking about? Right? So I got the hell out of there. I don't know what they got going on down there. I don't know what that was all about, Mac Volvo in Fort Worth. But I went down to Mac Volvo on I-20. They claimed to have it in stock, but they couldn't find them. So I went to Irving Boulevard. They had them. I used to work at Irving Boulevard back in my 20s. Right after I got out of school in 2003. I worked there for 2 years. So they had the exact same starter that I needed for $600. Also, while I was trying to diagnose, man, I really didn't want to put that starter on, man. But I went ahead and put that damn starter on, man. $600. I didn't want to buy it. I went ahead and put it on. I also checked ignition relays. The quick way that I found out which relays went to the ignition, I kind of turned the key and listened to it click and put my hands on the relays in the fuse box up here on my dash, and whichever one was clicking and was warm, I had 3 of them, and then I checked them to the diagram on the fuse box, on the inside of the fuse box cap. Ignition relays. I went and replaced them. Those are hard to find and replace. I went to this place. I went to what did I go to? O'Reilly's. Looked up the relays. There's a place called Summit Racing. It's a new place. They have any relay you need. They have it, or they can order it, and they cheap. Relays usually cost $20, but they have them for $10. If they don't have it, they'll order it for you, $10 a piece. So I replaced 3 ignition relays that was clicking when I hit the key, and I replaced my starter. So everything is working good now. I got a rock chip. I got to go to the auto parts store. I'm kind of seal this rock chip. Well, other than that shit, I'm holding it down. It's fixing to get summertime. I can't be leaving the truck running, wondering whether or not it's gonna start up, burning up gas, burning up fuel high as hell. Shit, I filled up this time. The pump said $5. JB Hunt gave me 60 cents off, so it was $4.40. Last time I filled up, it was $5. I got $1 off. It was $4. So that helps a little bit. And I'm in Texas, man. These California prices that I'm dealing with now, so I know my pay is going down. Gonna go down. Whatever Trump doing, he need to get this shit fixed, man. He's dependent on if he thinks China and Russia gonna hold, talking about holding some kind of port of entry down there in Iran. If he thinks they're gonna hold it open, he got another thing coming. They not gonna fight to hold that port open. Shit, Iran is one of their friends. He got a big mess going on. And didn't Trump, how many oil tankers Trump took from Iran and Venezuela? You mean tell me our oil prices went up already? He done stole some oil already. It didn't seem like they should be going up yet. Man, shit. I mean, get some troops in there and take it over, shit. You got all this mess going. I hope you know what you're doing. But anyway, I'm sitting here finna do my 10, head back home. I got to get my truck registered, my pickup truck registered and stuff. I got to file my taxes for the first time as a business owner and things like that. The Most High, the Creator in heaven, holding me down. Everything is good. This is going to be a little short video. I'm finna lay down and take me a nap. Everybody out there have a blessed day. Create a roll shotgun with us drivers out here. I'll holler at y'all later.